snow squall warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northwestern New Jersey, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line of severe automakers, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 40 and 69. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 45 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 26. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 5 and 7. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Wilson, Washington, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bangor, Slatington, High Bridge, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Clinton, Bath, Belvedere, and Harmony. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.